All right, well, that first one came out a little bit singed, a little toasty, not what I expected, but hey, it happens, you know. So what we're gonna do is go for the next one. Make sure we got our butter. Remember, this is French. French love butter. I can say that because my grandmother's maiden name was just Pierre. All right. Now we got it on a slightly lower heat. Nice, I got butter on myself. A little buttered up here. I don't know if this will come off. The dog will. I think I got most of it off. I'll just be an attractant if I go out with the bear and the bear's in the backyard. The bears kind of leave me alone because of my naturally furry appearance. You're just not sure how this other bear, meaning me, got to live inside a house. But anyway, time for some coffee to recharge. Now, what we're looking for as we observe this crepe cooking is for it to have a dry appearance. When it has a dry appearance, we kind of then have the security of knowing that it's solidified, congealed, if you will. In the cooking process, the proteins have denatured, they're locking together. Otherwise, if I try to flip it, I'm just going to get a patch of goo. And it's still it's dry in the center. It's not dry over here. And that's because this is a small heating flame. See that? It's kind of centered low there. This side actually would have been better because it has a bigger, wider burner. Maybe we'll try the crepes on that. I think it's okay now. I think it's time. Yep. By the way, you can't delete the salt from the recipe. You might think, oh, I don't need salt. Well, if you take the salt out, guess what? The stuff does not, it just will not become a batter that sticks together. It'll break apart. So something is going on with the salt. Maybe the ionic bond's in there. Yeah. All right, now we've got a pretty good looking crepe. All right, that's not bad. This should be really tasty. We're going to use those fruit jellies that we got from Lidl. It's a German supermarket, so German jellies with French crepes. It's a World War I breakfast. Delicious. Please like and subscribe. By the way, I had ancestors. My father was in the United States Army Air Corps, fought in World War II in the Pacific Front. And my grandfather, they don't make men like this anymore, man. He was in the U.S. from when he was a little kid working on the Baltimore Railroad. He came over when he was 10 years old. That means he came over in 1906. And when the war broke out, so in 1906 he was 10, 1916 he was 20. So yeah, about 1914 he was 18, and he decided he had to go back to fight for La Patria, Italy, and he actually went back there to fight in World War I. A lot of people would be like, hey, great, I'm 4,000 or 5,000 miles away, whatever, 7,000. Let me stay here. No, he went back and fought. So my family has a record of 2-0 in world wars. And we were on the winning side with Italy. Go put that in your pipe and smoke it. Italy on the winning side. All right. Bye for now. I'll be back with more crepes and pancakes. Please like and subscribe.